to us today.
And the memories we made. God of wonder, creator of what with its 12 kinds of fruit.
It's in the moments we've shared and the experiences we've had. Year 12 has reminded us that life doesn't pause for us to be ready. We have to grow into it. One challenge, laugh, or late night study session at a time.
To the class of 2025, thank you for all the laughs, the friendships, and the memories to last a lifetime. Walk with purpose and show the world that you've come to play.
It is my honour to recognise the phenomenal students before you, the outstanding young men and women who for the last 5 years I've been fortunate to call mine. But they're mine no longer. You now belong to the world and you belong to yourself. You are powerful, unstoppable, and absolutely marvellous.